Now this illustration deals with a motor-operated appliance and the branch circuit conductor supplying it in accordance with 240.4G and table 240.4G. Because it's an appliance with a motor involved, we would also have to review Article 422 that deals with appliance, and I believe it's 422.3b as in boy, that says these appliances are considered a continuous rated load, applying the 125% rule. Then Article 100 defines an appliance with a motor, just exactly defines it, so it's no mistake in what they're talking about in this illustration. Now the overcurrent device for that branch circuit is 422.11 and 240.4G as in gray. The conductors now to calculate the load is 310.14A3, and we would look at informational note 1, item number 2, that requires a calculation of the load. Now remember, there are 4 items in this 310.14A3 that has to be adhered to determine the ampacity of the conductor. But we do not have a correction factor problem here for routing it through a temperature higher than 86 degrees Fahrenheit overall. We do not have over 3 current carrying conductors, so we don't have to have a D rate based upon that. So those items would not apply. Now, step 1, we apply 422.10A and 210.19A1A. Now, I previously told you to look at 422.3B for the 125% rule, but take a look at 422.10A and then apply 210.19A1A, and then the overcurrent device is 210.20A. And we take care of the conductor and the overcurrent device by reviewing these 3 sections. So when it's all said and done, 125% of the 15 amp connected load, and the calculated load is 18.75. Step 2, 422.11A deals with the overcurrent device, 240.4B, as well as table 240.6A. We can round up from the 18.75 to 20 amp, so that the 20 amp overcurrent device will allow 18.75 amps for continuous loading. Now step 3, table 310.16, we would see 240.4G and D as in dog, and the 18.75 amp calculated load would require number 12 AWG copper. So in this solution, the size overcurrent device is 20 amps. The conductor is number 12 THWN copper, and we comply with 240.4 D as in dog as well. So we apply the sections that we've looked at, the size of the conductors and the overcurrent device, when a motor-operated appliance is involved, and this figure 9-5 is illustrating the procedure to do so.